4 amazing weight loss drinks to take before sleeping. Drinking milk before going to bed can help you lose 12 pounds of weight. Intrigued? Continue watching to find out how milk and other drinks can help you get slimmer while you're catching some Z's. Hey Hapthies! Today we will be discussing some of the healthiest drinks you can consume, which will not only help you in your weight loss journey, but also while you're asleep. Obesity is a serious issue that affects an ever-increasing number of people. It can severely impact the quality of your life and bring with it a host of life-threatening health issues. It has been directly linked with heart diseases and significantly lowers the overall immunity response of the body. People who are higher on the body mass index can have a hard time dealing with even the usually curable conditions like pneumonia and mild asthma, not to mention diabetes. Trying to get into shape is a brilliant decision, but it can take months of hard work to shed those pounds. As a result, anything that even remotely helps the process of weight loss is encouraged with open arms to make the process easier. Replacing sugary drinks like sodas and beers with the following alternatives is a great way to easily lose some weight. Stay tuned for a bonus fact at the end, and please subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Chamomile tea. Often referred to as the sleepy tea, chamomile tea has soothing properties which will not only help you fall asleep, but also significantly help your digestion while you doze off. It has been used for centuries as a remedy for sleeping problems, as it is classified as a mild sedative. When consumed, it increases the glycine in your body. Glycine is a neurotransmitter that relaxes the body and helps you fall asleep better. It is also rich in other healthy substances, which boost your body's ability to heal faster. Some of these substances include apigenin and bisabolol. Recent findings have suggested that ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks all used chamomile tea to dress and clean wounds. In the modern world, it has been frequently used to help soothe muscle spasms. This makes it an amazing option for your pre-bed drink. Studies have also shown it can help with irritable bowel syndrome, indigestion, and gas. Consuming tea regularly can have tons of benefits for your digestive system. Drinking the tea before going to bed will ensure that your blood glucose levels stay in check and also help you lose weight. This is because chamomile is rich in certain compounds which can improve the digestion of carbs in your diet and also improve your body's ability to absorb sugar more efficiently. In addition to this, chamomile tea plays a significant role in reducing bloating in the body, which can also lead to weight loss and better physical appearance. This is because it is rich in potassium, calcium, and flavonoids, all of which help rid the body of harmful toxins and excess water. Milk. Milk and the term sleeping like a baby go hand in hand. This is because milk has historically been a popular pre-bed drink, and for good reason. For one, it is full to the brim with calcium and a compound called tryptophan. According to research, calcium and the amino acid tryptophan work together to create a new substance called melatonin. Melatonin is well regarded as a substance that helps the body relax and, as a result, fall asleep easily. Additionally, milk is great at reducing your appetite for the next day, as it is full of healthy calories. This will make you eat less in the morning and potentially avoid unhealthy breakfast options like sugary cereals and fried foods. Milk is full of protein, which helps stimulate bone growth and muscle strength. This improves overall body health and appearance. Research conducted by the University of Negev in 2010 concluded that drinking just 2 glasses of milk before bed can significantly boost metabolism and help weight loss. The study also found that the people who consumed the most amount of milk experienced the highest levels of calcium and vitamin D in their bodies and also lost at least 12 pounds of body weight on average over 2 years. If you practice a vegan lifestyle, there are several fortified plant-based milk options that provide the same health benefits as the usual drink. Soy Protein Shake. Contrary to popular belief, soy protein shakes are not just meant for bodybuilders and weightlifters. It comes highly recommended as a pre-bed drink, as it is great for weight loss as you sleep. This makes the perfect option for everyone who wishes to passively lose weight. It is a very filling drink that can help keep you sated till the morning and help you control your appetite. Just like plain milk, soy protein shakes contain an abundance of the amino acid tryptophan. In addition to helping you sleep better, tryptophan has also been observed to decrease cortisol levels in the body. Lower levels of cortisol can help you shed excess fat and lower your overall body weight. The body's metabolic system naturally slows down as you sleep. This is the reason why doctors recommended avoiding eating a few hours before going to bed. A soy protein shake, on the other hand, will continue to digest and be absorbed by the body in an efficient and timely manner as you sleep. This ensures your body retains most of the vitamins and minerals from the drink while consuming virtually no excess calories. Soy protein shakes have also been observed to have significant benefits for the heart. Researchers have discovered that the soy content in the shake can boost cardiovascular health because of its fat-reducing properties. One study focusing on the effects of soy-based food on weight loss found that compared to other foods, soy foods promoted more weight loss and lowered the risk of cardiometabolic conditions without impacting strength or physical functions. Turmeric milk. If plain milk is not your thing, you can kick things up a notch by adding a little turmeric to the drink. Not only will this elevate the flavor of the drink, but it will also add the incredible benefits of turmeric to the already healthy properties of milk, making it the ultimate pre-bed supplement. Turmeric is an extremely nourishing spice that has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce bloating and weight loss. Studies have shown that curcumin, an abundant component of turmeric, plays a big part in suppressing excess fat tissue in the body, as well as regulating blood sugar levels. Healthy blood sugar levels ensure that the body has better insulin sensitivity, which helps it in retaining less fat from your diet. The satiating qualities of milk ensure that your caloric intake is kept at a minimum, while the turmeric provides a substantial boost to your digestive system, expelling harmful toxins from the body and promoting smooth digestive function as you sleep. Just 1 tablespoon of turmeric mixed with a glass of warm milk is all that is needed to make this drink, while you can add cinnamon, spices, and natural sweeteners to tweak the taste to your liking. Now that we've discussed some of the most beneficial drinks for promoting weight loss as you sleep, it doesn't feel right not to talk to you about some of the stuff you should avoid before bedtime. Good thing we have a bonus fact ready for you that will tell you all about it. The first thing that needs to be mentioned is alcohol. It may come as no surprise that those late nights out drinking aren't doing your overall health or your waistline any favors. You may feel like being drowsy from drinking too much will help you fall asleep, but the fact is that it may increase your need to urinate, disrupting your sleep through the night. Most alcoholic beverages are also very calorie-dense and make you put on weight. Before you know it, the term beer gut exists for a reason. It is also important to stay away from any drinks that contain caffeine, like coffee or energy drinks. Not only will they harm your sleeping schedule, but are also full of sugar and calories, which will put on even more fat as the digestive system is not as active while you sleep. There you have it, guys. Some of the healthiest drinks you can opt for if you want to shed those pounds fast. It may not seem like much, but trust us, these little changes add up and make a huge difference in the end. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos that will lead you to a happier life. What's an unusual weight loss tip that you've heard about? Tag us back in the comments below.